Hi everyone, welcome to Scimath Academy. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you that how to convert fraction into percentages. Is 1/2 equal to 50%, 100% or 200%? Can you convert this fraction into percentage? So this is very easy to convert the fraction into percentages. So to convert the fraction 1/2 into percentages, we will multiply and divide 1/2 by 100, right? So 1/2 multiply by 100 and divide by 100, right? So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 50 is 100. So we can write as 50 over 100. So we can write 50 over 100 as 50 multiplied by 1 over 100. So instead of 1 over 100, we can write as the percent symbol, which is equal to 50%. So the correct answer is 50%. So 1/2 is equal to 50%. Now here is another example, 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 multiplied by 100 and divided by 100. Right, so 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 25 is 100. Right, so 3 times 25 divided by 100, or 3 times 25 multiplied by 1 over 100. So 3 times 25 is 75 divided by 100. And 75 over 100 can be written as 75 multiplied by 1 over 100. Right, so 1 over 100 can be written as percentage symbol, which is equal to 75%. Right, so the correct answer is 75%. Know as 7 over 8 equal to 11.5%, 47.8% or 87.5%. Again, we will convert this fraction into percentage. So 7 over 8 multiply and divide by 100. Right, 4 times 2 is, so 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 25 is 100. Right, so 7 times 25 divided by 2 and multiplied by 1 over 100. So 7 times 25 is 175 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 over 100. Right, so 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 7 is 14 and 2 times 5 is 10. Right, so 87.5. 7.5 multiplied by 1 over 100, or 87.5%. Instead of this 1 over 100, we can write the symbol percent. So 87.5. So the correct answer is 87.5. Know as 11.20 equal to 55%, 75% or 95%. So again, we will convert this fraction into percentage. So 11 over 20 multiply by 100 and divide by 100. Right, so 20 times 1 is 20 and 20 times 5 is 100. Right, so 11 times 5 divided by 100. So 11 times 5 is 55 multiplied by 100. So instead of 100, we can write as the symbol percent, right, which is equal to 55%. So 11 over 20 is equal to 55%. So the correct answer is 55%. Now we are gonna solve another question, 3 over 16. Know as 3 over 16 equal to 18.75%, 97% or 70.83%. So 3 over 16 multiply by 100 and divide by 100. 4 times 4 is 16 and 4 times 25 is 100. Right, so 3 times 25 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 over 100. 3 times 25 is equal to 75 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 over 100. Right, so 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 18.25 is equal to 75, which is equal to 18.25 multiplied by 1 over 100, which is equal to 18.25%. So the correct answer for 3 over 100 is equal to 18.75%. Now we are going to solve whether 1 over 8 equal to 12.5%, 16.3% or 7.85%. So 1 over 8 multiplied by 100 and divided by 100. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 25 is 100. So we will cancel the 4 with 4, which is equal to 25 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 100. Right, 5 divided by 2 is equal to 12.5 multiplied by 1 over 100, which is equal to 12.5%. So the correct answer is 12.5%. Note your viewer, pause the video and comment the value of 9 over 20 as is equal to 45%, 55% or 35%, and the value of 2 over 5 is equal to 40%, 60% or 25%, and the value of 6 over 5 is equal to 120%, 100% or 90%. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to mathematics.